A displacement vector is a vector that represents the change in position of an object. It is defined as the straight line distance and direction from the initial position to the final position of the object. Here's a detailed explanation. Displacement vector. 1. Definition A displacement vector is a vector that specifies the change in position of an object. It is not concerned with the path taken by the object, but only with the initial and final positions. 2. Components magnitude the length of the displacement vector, which represents the straight line distance between the initial and final positions. Direction the direction from the initial position to the final position, usually expressed in terms of angles or coordinates. 3. Mathematical representation Suppose an object moves from an initial position \vec r_i_ to a final position \vec r_f_. The displacement vector \vec d can be represented as \vec d equals \vec r_f \vec r_i. Here, \vec r_i equals x_i, y_i, z_i, and \vec r_f equals x_f, y_f, z_f, \, are the position vectors of the initial and final positions, respectively. For calculation the components of the displacement vector in a three-dimensional space can be calculated as \vec d equals x_f, x_i, y_f, y_i, z_f, z_i. The magnitude of the displacement vector is given by \vec d equals \sqrt x_f x_i ⁡2 plus y_f y_i ⁡2 plus z_f z_i ⁡2. 5. Properties vector quantity displacement is a vector quantity, meaning it has both magnitude and direction. Path independence displacement only depends on the initial and final positions, not on the path taken. Can be 0 if the initial and final positions are the same, the displacement vector is 0. 6. Examples If a car moves from position A to position B in a straight line, the displacement vector points from A to B. If a person walks around a circular